Saturday, July 12, 2025. Focus. You meant evil against me, but God meant it for good. The human experience is filled with suffering caused by others, intentionally or unintentionally. A typical day carries its fair share of hurt, disappointment, regret, and bewilderment, often triggered by the words and actions of people around us. We, in turn, are not such lovable beings, prone to inflicting wounds on others, usually thoughtlessly but sometimes deliberately. Today's readings remind us that though we may be hated, insulted, and persecuted by others, God is still with us. His perfect will is fulfilled even in situations that we perceive as negative. In fact, God often uses unjust situations to bring about good, as he did in the life of Joseph. Above all, God protects his loved ones in every situation and also gives us the grace to forgive those who have wronged us. I'm going through a painful conflict in a precious relationship. My spiritual director reminded me that God is present even in the moments of deepest pain and anguish. I need to ask for the grace to see what God is trying to show me through the seemingly hopeless situation. When we believe that God works through every experience, it is also easier to forgive those who do us wrong. Fruit. Every day we pray as we forgive those who trespass against us. Whom do I need to forgive today? Let me forgive them generously, after the example of Joseph.